everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Cassie. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something totally different, fun, little nerve-wracking, but I was challenged by my friend Holly Posh, who also has a channel here on YouTube. I will leave her information here as well as down in the description box. She challenged me to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. And I was like, oh my God. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. I'm kind of nervous. I've never had to do my makeup with like a time limit before, so I feel like I'm just gonna be like clammy, dropping things. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but hopefully it looks okay because I am going out to lunch, so I'm gonna need to pull it together. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is set a timer on my phone. So I got 5 minutes. Let's just go ahead and go. I'm not even going to bother with telling you guys what products I'm using. I'm just gonna put them in the description box because I ain't got time. I ain't got time. Actually, I guess I can tell you guys while I'm doing it. It's really not that bad. So I'm using my Cover FX primer. To be honest, if I don't cover my whole face, it's okay. Okay, I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Butter Pecan. We're gonna do like 2 pumps because we just need coverage. We need coverage. I'm nervous to like even look at the timer while I'm doing this because I feel like it's gonna freak me out even more. Oh my God. I feel like this shade always looks a little bit orange on me, so if you're thinking I look like an Oompa Loompa right now, it'll settle. It'll settle. Have faith. I also have like no place to put this. Just keep like holding this foundation ball in my hands. Definitely not convenient. Okay. Oh, I didn't get to tip my nose. What the heck? Okay. So now taking my Born This Way concealer. By the way, my mirror is over here, so hopefully you guys can see me. But I was like, I can't do like the 5-minute makeup challenge and be blind because that's just too much. I'm scared. I want to know how much time I have left. How much time have I wasted? I don't even know. Oh my God, where's my brush? Oh my God, where's the brush that I used to blend? Oh, God. Let's see, where's my phone? I have 3 minutes left. I wasted 2 minutes. Oh my God. I wasted 2 minutes on my foundation. What the heck? Oh, I think I just got concealer in my eye. Oh, blending is going out the window, okay? Like, ow, I keep doing that. I'm freaking out. Okay, calm down. Just, whatever. We're gonna slap some powder on after this and it'll all just like make it all better, I hope. Okay, I know I probably just wasted a whole other minute, but I feel like nothing is blended. Nothing's blended. Holly, if you're watching this, I swear to God, girl, this is rough. Okay, what do I do next? What do I do next? Okay, get my I don't even know what I'm doing. My powder. Oh my God, I feel like I'm not gonna get anything freaking done. I feel like I can't talk and do this either. Like it's just taking too much time. My hair is in my way. How's it looking so far? Alright, moving on to blush. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills blush, and I think this is in the shade Vegas, but to be honest, I have no clue, and I can't look right now because that just takes too much time. And hopefully it's not like a crazy amount of blush. I feel like my under eyes look insane. Insane. I can't. I know she's probably like, stop blending, you're wasting time, but like I look like an idiot. Okay, let's do highlighter. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Where's my freaking brush? Where's my freaking brush? This is my Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. Obviously, this is like what I always use. I'm gonna put a little bit in my brow bone because ain't got time for no eyeshadow. Nose, Cupid's bow. All right, let's oh my God. Let's slap a lip on. Just for the sake of it. Okay, okay. All right, now I need some, oh my God, this lip looks insane. I look insane. Oh my God. Okay, I'm just gonna try to put on some mascara. Thank God I have long curly eyelashes. So I don't need that much. And then I'm gonna look and see how much time I'm gonna have left and see if I can fix my face. I'm getting like spots of mascara underneath my eyes. No. All right, so there's my timer. No, not repeat. No, 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 no. Okay, so this is my face. Oh God, I feel like this looks horrible. First of all, I didn't get to line my lips, so this lip color looks insane. Insane. So this is how everything looks after the 5 minutes is up. It's kind of crazy. I feel like I look like just not put together. I don't know. It's weird. Like, I did add a lip gloss because that other lip color looked insane, but y'all saw how it really looked, so I don't want to hear anything about cheating. So yeah, this was kind of nerve-wracking. I had no idea 5 minutes was gonna go by so fast, but it did. I don't know, I thought I was kind of quick in like putting on my makeup, but turns out I'm not. I feel like if I would have taken less time applying my foundation, I would have been okay. But I didn't know what I was doing. Like, I totally underestimated the length of 5 minutes. So this is how it turns out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is like my first challenge. Actually, no, I did do the spicy ramen challenge, but this is my first like makeup related challenge. So if you want to see more, I could do that for you guys if you really wanted it. Do I have a lipstick on my teeth? Anyways, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to check out my girl's channel. I will leave a link down in the description box. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, hopefully looking better than what I do now. Bye.